Hi guys, it's Matthew here from the Skibbereen Food Company, and today guys I'm going to show you how to make the perfect onion rings in your own home. We're going to use a batter, but we're also going to use Panko breadcrumbs. See you soon. So the first things we're going to do is we're getting 2 big white onions, okay, peeled, and we're just going to make nice round pieces of onion to go into our onion rings. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to push out each onion ring and we're going to put it straight into ice cold water. Be careful you don't break them, but try and keep them as a full onion ring. Moving on, we have now got to make our batter. So I've got 100 grams of plain flour and 100 grams of corn flour. We've got a teaspoon of smoked paprika, salt, white ground pepper, and garlic powder. Now the next thing is we're going to add the soda water. So you get a soda water. Now this is optional as well if you want to add a shot of vodka. But we're just going to make this nice thick batter by using the soda water and a whisk to get the right consistency. Right, as you can see we've got a nice thick batter and that's the consistency we want. And now we're just going to drain the onion rings from the cold water. Okay, the next step is we're going to take our onion rings, put them in the batter, make sure they're nicely covered and coated. Shake the excess batter off and we're going to put them into Panko breadcrumbs. Now the way you can do this, it does get a little bit messy, but what you can do is you can shake the breadcrumbs over it, and also if you've got extra breadcrumbs you can throw some more over the top. So this is what you're left with, okay, a well coated onion ring dipped into the lovely seasoned and flavoured batter, and then well crumbed with the Panko breadcrumbs. Now we're going to deep fry. Okay guys, so here we are. We've got our onion rings crumbed and we're just deep frying. When you're deep frying them, don't overpack the deep fryer. Just make sure they're well crumbed. And you can see they're just going to bubble away. And there we go. Look how lovely and golden colour they are. And that's the way you want them. Okay guys, and the finished product is just like this. We just put them in a bowl and look, they look absolutely delicious. Yeah, fantastic. Hope you enjoy. So there you go guys, homemade onion rings done with Panko breadcrumbs along with the batter. I love these sorts of things to have nibbles with your family. And look, I would serve it with the garlic mayonnaise. That's what I do, just something simple at home. We'll see you soon. It's a lovely day in West Cork down in Skib, and we'll talk to you soon. Hope you enjoy, and please try my recipes and join my YouTube channel. Thanks guys.